Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mask DaVinci. First, understand that masking isolates specific areas of your footage for targeted adjustments. Navigate to the color page in DaVinci Resolve. Here, you'll find the power window and magic mask tools, essential for precise selections. Begin by selecting the clip you wish to work on in your timeline, ensuring you're on the correct frame to start your mask. Now, let's create your mask. In the Power Window palette, choose a shape that best suits your subject, such as a circle, square, or a custom polygon. Click and drag directly on your viewer to draw the initial mask. For intricate shapes, use the Custom Polygon tool, adding points as needed. Refine the mask by dragging individual control points until it perfectly outlines your desired area. Refining your mask is crucial for a professional look. Use the softness controls to add feathering, blending the mask edges smoothly into the background. For moving subjects, engage the tracker in the Tracker palette. This will automatically follow your masked area across frames. If the tracking isn't perfect, you can manually adjust keyframes to correct any drift, ensuring consistent isolation throughout your clip. With your mask refined, you can now apply specific color corrections, effects, or even blur to the isolated area. This allows for highly targeted adjustments without affecting the rest of your footage. Always review your entire clip to confirm the mask holds up across all frames. Once satisfied, navigate to the Deliver page to render and export your final project in your desired format and resolution, completing your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.